Hi folks, we're back with the Bissel and things I've decided it's going to need. Basically, it's going to need some vinyl tubing, which I found some here to get by. I got this AutoZone vacuum line. It's real pliable, fits perfectly. You're going to put the clamps back on it, and I'm not going to cut it yet because I'm not sure. Remember, the belt was cutting into it. I'm not sure how to place that yet, so I'm leaving extra. And as far as the vacuum, this piece of ductwork here had fallen off. It wasn't lodged in there right. It just basically pops out, pops in. But somebody had been in here before, and I think they just kind of took things apart and didn't realize it was falling apart when they put it back together. And from that point on, it was even worse than when they broke into it. But anyway, that's the game plan. So I think we can get this machine running again. Once I get this together and figure out how to reroute that, I think we'll be back in shape. Give it back to Barbara, and she can start cleaning her carpets on a regular basis because I know she's going to want it. Anyway, Alan signing out. Y'all take care.